Kay Louie, sasakit ulo mo. Oo, mahuhusay na.
Sino pinaka-bunso sa lahat? Ikaw? Hao? Hao? Meow! 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 You're so cute. You're so cute.
Sapatos ko. Tingnan yung sapatos ko. Whited. Oh! Sana nanonood kayo para alam mo yung shot. Wala, namatay yung punchline, hindi nakita ng mga nasa baka. Hi sa mga Sharonians! Naku, abang niyo po. Meron akong vlog at sisaya. Tama ko si Becca Star, Sharon Cuneta at si Senator Kiko Pangilinan. Fun to, kaya abangan mo po sa YouTube channel ko. I-upload ko na very soon. Thank you very much. Okay, kung galing mo siya lang mag-isa. Hindi siya contesta. 30 seconds. 30 seconds to. Okay, it's Bella Day today. Malapit na ang ball, kaya kailangan tayo magpa-fresh. Wow! Ang ganda ng Bello Green Hills. Bagong gawa. Ba't kayo mga nagtatago? Nasaan yung mga tao dito, mga nawala? Ang ganda. Bagong renovate ang Bello Green Hills. Pak. Fresh. Hi! Oh, diba? Fresh ang Bello Green Hills kasing fresh ko. Hi, good afternoon. Kabugo. Ang ganda ng clinic. Super budgeted ang Bello. Oh, taka. Pak, may rampahan. Oo. Saan tayo? Dito tayo. Pak. Bagong area. Hello. Oh. Ganda. Fresh. Saan tayo? Dito tayo. Ganda ng clinic. Pak. Ganda, no? Oh. Diba? Yes, Spencer! Hello po. Oh my God. Ano dyan, no? Oo. Isa talaga.
dami. Gabi. Bilhin na po, ma'am, sir. Happy weekend! Today is the day, March 15. Until tomorrow, we'll be here in Avira Tower, Quezon City. So once you go to the elevator, just click 8. Yung pinakataas. Welcome, welcome. So, welcome, welcome. On entering. Sorry, ayos pa kami. So, on entering. Dito pa pupunta. So, Earthy and Mitch, come here. Sila yung mag-welcome sa inyo. So, we're gonna play na lang kay Earth. How much entries kay Earthy?
50 pesos only.
50 pesos only. Ikakabit na yung wristbands nyo. And then, you can enjoy and shop na. Ganyan lang kabilis.
And of course, meron kaming coffee outside. Kung gusto
Any
niyo na,
drinks?
yes, any drinks.
Para pag nauhaw ka, you can just buy it. So, yan. Pagkatapos dito, we proceed na to the first food.
And of course, meron kaming magandang view.
Let's be patient. Proceed here. First food, you'll see Nana Investment area. Yan. Ayos pa nila. Of course, yan. Sila po yung magbibenta. They have gowns, casualwear, meron din. And
Yeah,
yung ibang
syempre.
mga na-sauces. And over here, we have Kim and Boobs area. Guys, ito yung policies.
Policy!
By the way, screenshot. Here, this is Kim and Boobs area. This one I wore for TCL. And then this one for Century Tuna. From Conte's, so many more. Ito po si Lulu.
Hi, Lou! Hi, brother Nick!
So yeah, 2, 4, 500 menswear. They have shoes. They have more gowns and mga pang women. Mga pang clothes. So from 150, 200, like that.
And toys!
And toys, you have toys too. Super
Hi,
cute.
Kimi!
Kimi. Abot kaya. Abot kaya. Mura lang
And all the angels.
500 lang po. Pinakamahal po. Parang ganyan-ganyan ka lang. Yes, for the experience.
Everything starts
So
from
what do you
300
have?
to 500.
Kids wear, ladies, gowns, menswear,
Bags.
shades.
Makeup!
Ito ba? Laser. Brand new for only? How much?
50 pesos, Jarab.
15,000.
15,000.
Ito rin. Welcome to my area. So let's start with this. Pinrint yan ni Earl para may photos for your reference. And then ito yung mga nasuot ko sa shows, events, ano pa ba? Endorsement shoots and so much more. So ito, naka-rack na siya.
With 4,000. Yeah, we have 3,500.
And ito lahat from Filipino designer. So, pinili ko yung mga very important pieces sa akin na gusto ko masuot ng iba para hindi naman siya masayang. So, take care of this baby because I love that so much. Here, price starts at 50. We have 100. We have brand new shoes as well. And baka once lang nasuot. And then meron din mga 1,000, 200. And then let's go sa rack gives. Here, so meron 500 pesos. Meron mga jeans dyan. So if you're 25 to 28 na waistline, I think meron kayong mahanap na pair. And also, 350. So usually, dresses and mga co-ords. So, pwede nyo ba yung tawaran if you come here. May mga mababait na nagtitinda here. So please come here. We'll be here until 6 p.m. So that's it for the tour. I hope you can drop by for the KB Closet sale. So guys, want to say anything? Guys, come!